Welcome to the Greenlite Cashless Reader installation video. This video will walk you through the required steps of installing your Greenlite Cashless Reader on your machine and connect it to the Greenlite telemetry device. If you're installing the Greenlite telemetry device at the same time, please see the link on the screen for instructions on installing the Greenlite kit. With purchase of the Greenlite kit, your company should have completed the paperwork necessary to activate the Greenlite equipment. Prior to installation, check that this paperwork has been completed and the activation email notification for the device has been received. The night before the scheduled install, provide the Greenlite telemetry device numbers to your Greenlite manager and have them add the devices. This process is completed in the Greenlite web application. Your Greenlite kit comes with a magnetic strip and NFC or near field communication reader. Make sure you check your machine list provided by Vendnet to confirm it meets compatibility requirements. If a newer firmware, software, or other update is needed, document all settings including prices, coil groupings, meters, and other machine-specific settings. For some machines, it may be necessary to turn on the cashless communication in the machine. Refer to your machine's manual on how to turn on cashless. If your machine has a secondary peripheral device opening, you can attach the reader to the machine in this opening. Or, if your machine does not have a secondary opening, you can either find a location to drill and mount the reader using the provided template, or install a combo card reader and bill validator. Consult Vendnet for a compatible combo unit for your machine. On this machine, there is a secondary opening. We will install the reader here. First, open the door and turn off the machine by turning the power switch off or by unplugging the unit from the wall. Next, we will locate the secondary opening inside the door and move any items out of the way to access the nuts holding the filler plate to the door. Then remove the nuts securing the plate with a deep well socket with an extension or a long-handled nut runner. The typical size of the nut is 11/32 of an inch. Remove the block-off plate. You will want to save this plate and leave it in your service packet or elsewhere in the machine to reinstall if you choose to remove the cashless reader later. Install the reader in the reverse order using the 4 nuts. Then, free the cable coming from the reader and route it around any obstacles to the Greenlite telemetry device. Plug the end of the cable into the port labeled card. The plug is specifically designed to only fit in that port. Next, dress your cables by using cable ties to neatly secure the cable to other cables routed in the same path. This will help keep them from snagging or pinching when the door is opened and closed during service. Now we can turn the machine back on or plug the machine back into the wall. Next, check the telemetry device. When the device is powered on, the status LED will light solid amber, and then the cashless, MDB, and DEX lights will light solid green and then go out. Your status will then go solid green. Once the device has contacted the Greenlite server, your network LED will light solid green and your signal LED will light red, amber, or green depending on your signal strength. Your telemetry LED will start flashing green, letting you know that the device is in session with the telemetry server. Once the session has completed, your telemetry LED light will go solid green. To force a DEX, hold the black button for 3 seconds until the DEX LED starts flashing. If the device receives the DEX from the machine, the DEX light will light solid green. Here's a quick run-through of the LED behavior you are looking for in the device. If the device is not showing this behavior, refer to our LED troubleshooting guide located at greenlightVending.com/support. Your device should have a solid green status, network, telemetry, and DEX lights. Some machines require you to set up the machine to handle the large DEX files being transferred to our device. Refer to the machine list provided by Vendnet on which machines may require additional programming to set up DEX for our device. If your device has the proper LED behavior described above, then you have successfully installed the device. Test by swiping a credit card with a magnetic strip facing left in the Greenlite reader, or touch the bezel using a mobile phone payment app and verifying that the credit is displayed on the machine display. The price displayed should be the highest priced item currently set in the machine. A selection vend can now be done, or press the yellow pound button on the Greenlite reader bezel to cancel the transaction without incurring credit or debit charges. You are now finished with installing the reader. Close and lock the door. For assistance on this installation or other questions, please contact Vendnet at 1-800-833-4411.